Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The stars align as the anticipation builds for the Long Walk to Freedom concert. British rapper Teflon Don and DJ Khaled are among the celebrities in Kingston for the first leg of the Long Walk to Freedom concert series at the National Stadium. The event marks Buju's first appearance since returning from a near 10-year prison stint on cocaine-related charges. He was deported to Jamaica on December 7 last year.
Since I've seen my people and we have exchanged communication spiritually, mystically. And on the 16th of March, we endeavor to reconnect. Yes? And pick up where we left off. So I'll be there. And I want to make sure I see you there.
Other in-demand artists booked for the show are Chronix, Etana, Cockatee, Deli Ranks, Romain Virgo, Ghost, Agent Sasco, Lust, and Buju's son Jazeel. In the meantime, there is a reported spike in hotel occupancy levels and Airbnb accommodations in the corporate area as the concert is expected to attract 32,000 patrons, many of them from overseas, which highlights the umbilical link between tourism and entertainment. The concert especially promotes Kingston as a cultural tourism destination, following the recent designation as a creative city of music by UNESCO. Indigo Conference does it for the culture with the Exposure Call. Grammy-nominated artist Protege's Indignation Collective hosted an art mingle last night in an effort to highlight Kingston's growing art scene as well as strengthen communication in the creative community. The event was also a precursor to the Indigo Conference slated for this month. Conceptualizer and organizer of the conference, Indignation team member outlined the aim of the initiative.
Meet and mingle is really fun, networking, getting to know people, getting to meet people, putting yourself out there. The Exposure Call, this year's theme for the conference. For this year, we're doing it bigger and better. Cliche, but it's the truth. So we have speakers who are interactive and who are interacting with our audience. We have more art on display. We have fun and games. We have a lot of giveaways happening.
This year's conference will feature presentations from established creatives including dancehall and reggae entertainer Agent Sasco and Jamaica international band leader Candy King. Creative director and photographer Yannick Reed expressed his excitement to be presenting this year.
This is actually my first. I actually missed the first one, so my first one I'll be a speaker, so I'm looking forward to everybody who's gonna be coming out, and I'm looking forward to share everything that I know with everybody and hope that it is of some value to the people who pay and come out, yeah.
Now this week is the final hurrah as the RJ Arglina cross-country invasion makes its final trek to Western Region 4. The festivities kick off tonight with a street jam in Green Island in Hanover, and tomorrow catch us on the road as we make stops in Trelawney, in Hanover, St. James and Westmoreland before the family fun day at Montego Bay Community College, with performances by artists Nesbeth, D'Angel, Ladden, Alex A-Game, Davina, Orisha Sound, Kenya Man, Biza, even more. That's it for this weekend's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.